Today I wanted to show you how to install the mod menu that I used to get the free hands you lose from the grab pack. I just want to show you how to install the mod to do so. So, first things first, you're going to want to go to the mod page. I have it saved, but the mod link will be in the description so that you don't have to go find it yourself. But here's the mod menu. Download it. Download it. And once it's done, I personally have it on Steam, but if you have it somewhere else, then go to your files the way you have to. But for me, I go to Steam, Manage, Browse Local Files. Chapter 5 Pro, Content, and then I just realized, nope, I'll scratch all that. Okay, so we gotta go to this page right here. And then, when you're done downloading, it'll show you right here. And you'll have these two things. Now, what you want to do is you want to take not the ones from the mod, you want to take the ones from, oh wait. I'm so bad at this. Extract all first. There we go. This way you can actually edit them. So, first thing you want to do is you want to take the Chapter 5 profiles of binary and content and copy them into here. Why you don't want to copy these onto Chapter 5 Pro is because this has the coding for the mod, and if you just copy this over to Chapter 5 Pro, you're not going to get all the mod stuff because there are duplicate files. And just like that, now we take not the plugins, just take these. I personally like to make a backup. We'll name it in case. Now you can name it whatever you want. I'm just partially naming it in case. And we're going to put these from the original Chapter 5 Pro. We're going to put them into the in case folder. Again, if you want to name it something else, you are more than welcome to. Now, once we move them over to here, we then want to press the back until we get here. This is the Chapter 5 Pro. We then take these that we copied the Chapter 5 Pro over here. We want to put them into here. And now, with these in the Chapter 5 Pro, we can close everything up, open Poppy Playtime, we go to Chapter 5. If everything went right, that means that the mod will be fully installed and everything working perfectly.